Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yo Hype Hobby. So, quick review lang po tayo ng WEM92 Barretta Color Black. Ayan, pasubscribe na rin po yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel, Mr. Yo Hype Hobby, MrYoHype.ph, and Mr. Yo Hype TV, ang ating YouTube channel. Ayan po. Ayan, so, ganda nitong cup na to. Ayan. So, quick review po tayo ng M92 Barretta na color black. So ito po ay toy only airsoft gas blowback pistol. Ayan. So may kasamang manual yan. Magazine capacity 24 plus 1, 25 rounds magazine capacity. Ayan. So mayroon siyang markings, naka-engrave yan. Inlet bulb, outer bulb. Ayan. So ito yung M92 Barretta color black. So meron din po tayong available nito na color silver. Ayan, so quick review lang po tayo. May safety lever left and right. Ayan. Yan po yung pinaka-safety niya. Ayan. Taas lang natin. Okay. And then meron siyang markings and logos. Military spec combat pistol. Ayan. WE made in Taiwan. So full metal construction. So dito napakabigat. So ito ay gas blowback pistol, airsoft, toy only. Always trigger finger out. Yung kanyang front and rear naka-fix. Ayan. Double action, single fire. Yan po yan. So, yun lang po yung kanyang details. So, yan, may mga markings. So, half-up adjustable. And then, powered by green gas. Yan, WEM92 Barretta Colors Black. Thank you.